Item 789. Treatment for ASR affected concrete. 1. Description. Treat concrete members affected by alkali-silica reaction, ASR. 2. Materials. Furnish materials in accordance with this item. 2.1 Penetrating concrete surface treatment/primer. Provide silane meeting the requirements of DMS 8140, concrete surface treatment, penetrating, or primer as shown on the plans. 2.2 Silicone-based topcoat. Provide silicone resin emulsion paint, SREP, meeting the requirements of DMS 8141, paint, silicone resin for concrete. Match color of coating with Federal Standard 595C color 35630, concrete gray, unless otherwise shown on the plans. 2.3 Caulk. Provide a caulk meeting the requirements of DMS 8142, paintable caulk for concrete and steel. 3. Equipment. Provide equipment as listed in item 427, surface finishes for concrete, for abrasive blasting, slurry blasting, and spraying. Provide equipment suitable for application of the caulk chosen. The engineer may require demonstration of the equipment's capabilities. 4. Construction. Treat all areas as indicated on the plans or as directed. Apply the treatment in the following order if a carbon wrap is used as part of the ASR mitigation. Fill or inject the cracks with epoxy. Apply the wraps. Apply the primer. 4.1 Surface preparation. Prepare all surfaces to be treated to blast finish in accordance with item 427, surface finishes for concrete. Use only abrasive blasting or another approved method to remove all lands, paint, and other contaminants that may retard or prevent the absorption of the surface treatment material into the concrete or compromise the bond of the crack sealing caulk. Ensure high-pressure water blasting is not used to clean the surfaces. Use water-injected abrasive blasting, less than 1 GPM of water, to clean the surfaces if dust control measures are required. Brush off remaining residue before applying surface treatment. 4.2 Application of penetrating sealer/primer. Apply the penetrating surface treatment in accordance with item 428, penetrating concrete surface treatment. Work the surface treatment into cracks for maximum penetration. Follow the manufacturer's recommended application rate if it is higher than specified in item 428, penetrating concrete surface treatment. 4.3 Crack sealing. Seal cracks no earlier than 2 days after application of the surface treatment. Seal all cracks wider than 0.005 inches, 0.15 millimeters, with caulk. Seal cracks when the concrete surface and the ambient air temperature are between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a small bead of caulk in a designated crack. Use a trowel, spatula, or similar device to effectively work the caulk into the crack and provide a smooth profile to the bead of caulk. Ensure the caulk does not completely fill the crack, but completely covers the crack opening. Remove any caulk remaining on the surface of the concrete using the trowel or spatula before the caulk has set up. 4.4 Application of topcoat. Apply the SREP topcoat after the caulk has cured according to the caulk manufacturer's recommendations. Provide a smooth, uniform coating using a roller, brush, or airless sprayer. Back roll spray applications. Apply a first coat with a minimum wet film thickness, WFT, of 4 mils. Apply a second coat at least 24 hours after the first coat with a minimum WFT of 4 mils. 5. Measurement. This item will be measured by the square foot of surface area treated. This is a plan's quantity measurement item. The quantity to be paid is the quantity shown in the proposal unless modified by Article 9.2, Plan's quantity measurement. Additional measurements or calculations will be made if adjustments of quantities are required. 6. Payment. The work performed and materials furnished in accordance with this item and measured as provided under measurement will be paid for at the unit price bid for treatment for ASR affected structures. This price is full compensation for excavation required on the plans, surface preparation, application of sealer or primer and caulk, and painting as specified on the plans, and for all labor, equipment, tools, and incidentals. Carbon fiber reinforced polymer wraps and associated epoxy work will be paid for in other items.